Xonimlar va janoblar, xalqaro forumning martabali mehmonlarini kutib olamiz.
Yangi O'zbekistonda barcha islohotlar inson qadri uchun degan tamoyil asosida amalga oshirilmoqda.
Before I start, Mr. President, you made it very difficult for me to stand before you and say a speech after what we have heard. That was a masterpiece of economic planning. Congratulations, and Uzbekistan deserves that. Thank you for doing it.
Eng murakkab davrda kambag'allikka qarshi kurashishni davlat siyosati darajasiga olib chiqib, uni umummilliy harakatga aylantirdi.
We are all here to learn from Uzbekistan, a global champion of poverty reduction.
Uzbekistan has made remarkable progress in reducing poverty, which shows the world that eliminating poverty is not a dream, but is within our reach.
Barcha sa'y-harakatlarimiz har bir inson, ayniqsa yoshlar va xotin-qizlar o'z salohiyatini to'liq namoyon etish uchun sharoit yaratish va imkoniyatlarni kengaytirishga qaratildi.
Uzbekistan's success story in poverty reduction has demonstration effect across the region and beyond.
Dastlab ish boshlagan yillarimda korxonamda 100 million atrofida mahsulot ishlab chiqargan bo'lsak, bugungi kunda 300 milliard so'mlik mahsulotlar ishlab chiqarilib, 2024-yilda yillik eksport hajmini $10 million ga yetdi.
I wish to acknowledge the remarkable progress of our host, Uzbekistan, that has nearly halved its poverty rate from 23% to under 9% in just a few years, lifting hundreds of thousands of people out of hardship.
This forum becomes a catalyst for practical solutions and stronger partnerships, advancing our collective mission to build a more inclusive and prosperous future for all.